Top, table of ordered pairs, in four methods for polynomial graphs.
4x plus 5. 4x plus 5. Here, after getting factors x minus 5, x plus 1, we got the zeros of minus 5 will become 5. And the plus 1 will become minus 1. Those are the zeros of this equation. Here if we take x minus 1, y minus 1 is equal to, we have taken in it, this is minus 1 or x minus 1, that's why we have taken minus 2. X plus 5, that's why we have taken 6. X on the x coordinates minus 2 becomes y coordinate as 1. X coordinate minus 1 becomes, isn't it? Minus 1 becomes
0 y coordinate
10. 0 becomes y coordinate 5. If you take x coordinate 1, y coordinate becomes 2. 2 becomes 1. 2 becomes 1. 3 becomes 1. 4 becomes 5. 5 becomes 0. 6 becomes 1. Then we have plot that. Graph on the graph. See it or graph. Then on the graph, take it your graph. We have drawn it here minus 2 and 1. We will get that graph. Here second method is x square minus 4x plus 5. Previously also I have told, so listen it. I have taught you in logarithms 0.23 and 2.3 in 5 models. Logarithms, listen it, don't talk, remaining people. In the logarithms I have taught you 0.23 and 2.3 into 5 methods. Here I am gonna teach you 4 methods. This is the first method, second method, third method, fourth method. Here it is taught in schools. First what we have taken y square, y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. Here the x coordinates minus 4 to, you will have to plus 4. Then we will get any graph in a perfect way. That is, we will have to take minus 4 and plus 4 up to plus 4. Plus 4. Here, equation, what is this x square? X square is equal to minus 4 into minus 4, 16. Minus 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into 1.